Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm looking at this fun loopy stitch. This is how the loops appear on the front. And this is how it looks on the back. This loopy stitch can be knit on any number of stitches, so you can really cast on however many stitches you'd like. And it's a good idea to knit a few foundation rows just to stabilise the cast on edge. Here I've knit 4 rows of garter at the bottom before starting the loops. It could be ribbing or stocking stitch. This is a 2-row pattern repeat, alternating 1 row of making the actual loops with a 2nd row of knit stitches to secure them in place and space them out. So if you're ready, grab your needles and some yarn and let's get started with the knitting. So the loops are created from the wrong side of the fabric. Row 1 with the wrong side facing, knit the first stitch. This is the selvage stitch. And to make the first loop, put the needle into the next stitch knitwise and bring the yarn through as though you're going to knit the stitch. Take it over and around the index finger, up again and between the needles, and bring the right needle through and make the stitch. Keep the loop on the finger as you put the left needle back into the front of the stitch you've just made and knit it. It will look like 2 together. Take the loop off the finger and just give it a little tug to pull it straight. I'll do that again. Put the needle into the next stitch knitwise and bring the yarn through. Take it around and over the index finger, between the needles again, and bring the right needle through and make the stitch. Keep the loop on the finger, put the left needle into the stitches, knit the 2 together, take the loop off the finger at the back and give it a tug. I'll do that again, taking the yarn all the way around the finger, make the stitch which looks like 2, knit them together, and that stops the loop from coming undone. And again, as though to knit, wrapping the yarn around the index finger, over the needle again, bring it through, put the left needle in and knit those 2 together. It can be a bit fiddly at first, but then you get into a rhythm with it quite quickly, just pulling the loops straight at the back. Put the yarn around the needle, the finger, knit those 2 together, pull the loops. You want to aim to get all the loops roughly the same size. Around the finger, around the needle. Left needle goes in, knit those 2 together and secure the loop. And again, knit those 2 together and secure the stitch. pulling the loops nice and straight, and they look all about the same size. It's really coming together. Row 2 will be on the right side, and it's a knit row, so simply knit all the stitches across the second row. I'll put all the pattern details down in the description box below for you, so take a look and please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my other videos. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy knitting all your stitches.